PHP Web Development Language Installation Setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Explain. Google search box lo enter PHP download. Enter key press. PHP.NET downloads. PHP downloads first link click. PHP official web page complete display. First one option. First one downloads and installation instructions section lo I want to use PHP for web development application. Right side box down arrow click. Other options display. Default detected operating system Windows. Box right side down arrow click. Supporting OS Linux, Mac OS and Windows. Third one Windows select. Second box GIF downloads. Right side down arrow click. Other options display. First one select instructions section lo scroll down. Second option VS17 x64 thread save section lo blue color highlighted words zip select mouse left click file size 33.49 MB download section lo PHP latest version 8.5.4 Win32 VS17 x64.zip file downloading process start. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Next browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo PHP zip file select mouse right click extract all option click extract compressed zip folders window lo compressed file default path display in box. In case change the location, right side browse button click. Present unnecessary default set this path. Bottom side first button extract click. Extracted folder display window close. Extract folder second one select mouse right click. First icon cut click. Left side this PC select first one new volume C select open mouse right click paste icon click folder select mouse right click third icon rename click unnecessary text remove select keyboard delete key press enter key press PHP folder select open PHP DLL files and executable files complete display in folder top section lo address bar mouse left click copy this path mouse right click second option copy click folder minimize desktop windows search box lo enter env first option edit the system environment variables option select system properties window lo bottom side last button environment variables click second option system variables related path option select second button edit click right side top section lo first button new click mouse right click paste option select this is PHP folder path bottom side first button OK click and OK click and OK click browser reopen Windows search box lo enter Microsoft Visual C redistributable first option select latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads first link click Microsoft Build 2026 official web page complete display mouse scroll down latest supported redistributable version third option x64 second section third link click download section lo vc underscore redistributable x64.exe file downloading process start file size 17.7 MB completed browser minimize desktop file explorer document reopen left side downloads folder select exe file select mouse double click Microsoft Visual C++ window lo bottom side I agree to the license Teams and conditions. Left side box tick mark set. First button install click. Microsoft Visual C++ window first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Setup successful. First button restart click. System restart process completed. Desktop mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel first one folder select. Delete key press. Enter the folder name PHP. Enter key press. Created folder select. Open. Maximize. Mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel text document. Click. Mouse right click. Third icon. Rename click. Enter the file name. Charitech extension .php. Delete key press. Enter key press. Top section view. Right side down arrow click. Last one option show. Sub panel fourth one option file name extensions. Option select. Mouse right click. Rename click. Unnecessary txt dot remove. Enter key press. Rename window first button yes click. File select. Mouse right click. Edit in notepad. Option select. Created notepad file name charitech.extension php. Enter the php simple script. File menu click. Save option select. File minimize. Top section lo address bar mouse left click. Enter cmd. Enter key press. PHP project related created folder and file default path display. Enter the file name PHP space file name charitech file name extension dot php. Enter key press. Executed output charitech info.